Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I've already got my base down. So today I'm just going to focus on one step of this makeup application, and that is going to be the eyes. Not only it's going to be a short and sweet video, but I'm also going to go in with this double wing eyeliner. So yeah, if you all want to see how I achieve this look right here, then keep on watching. So to begin with, I'm going to be dipping into these two shades right here from this Swiss Beauty palette. And I'm slowly building this up on the upper eyelid with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now today's eye look is really all about the eyeliner, right? So I don't want to get too crazy with the eyeshadows, which is why I'm sticking to these neutral warm tones. Well, you can tailor the eyeshadows to be whatever you want it to be. You could use some bright or some dark shades, whatever works. But I'm playing it safe by using brown neutral shades because I feel like most of the people will gravitate towards these kind of colors. And you can see here I'm really smoking it outwards to accentuate the eye shape. Next, I'm gonna dip into this shade right here from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm lightly gonna dust this on the upper and lower lid. This shade is nice because it has this tiny glitter sparkles in it, so it spices up the eye look a little and makes it look expensive as well. It also really helps bring out the focus to your eyes. Now that we have those eyeshadows placed, I'm going to use this black liquid eyeliner from Lakme and start lining my eyes on the upper lid, starting from the inner corner and thickening the line as I make my way towards the outer corner of the eye. I'm not making this liner too thick because I don't have a lot of lid space. If I were to make this eyeliner any thicker, it will end up closing my eyes and will make it appear smaller. But anyways, do what works for you and what looks best on your eye shape. Once I have the basic placement of the black wing eyeliner down, it's time to create the second wing. To do so, I'm taking the Bella Voste white eyeliner and running it on the upper lid just above the black wing eyeliner. So basically, we're just duplicating the whole eye look that we created with the black eyeliner, and we're just doing this with the white eyeliner now. Personally, I like the top eyeliner to be slightly longer than the black eyeliner, but then again, it's all preference. Next up, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Skin Tone Nude eyeliner and running this through the waterline. This is really gonna help open up the eyes and give us a really nice contrast between the black eyeliner and the eyeshadows used. And you can see this pencil is a cream color, but if you want, you can go in with a bright white eyeliner as well. It will give you more of a retro kind of look, which also looks super amazing. After this, I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and really coat the top of my lashes with this. I'm gonna apply falsies as well, but it's important to apply mascara so that everything looks seamless and so my natural lashes blend with the falsies which we will be applying afterwards. For lashes, I'm using very natural looking eyelash strips as I don't want to draw away the attention from the eyeliner look. So that's why I'm keeping it simple. And now as I wait for the lash glue to dry down, I'm gonna run a coat of that mascara through the bottom lashes as well, which officially makes this the very last step on how I created this double wing eyeliner look. And there you have it, guys. This is the final tutorial. If you all did like this tutorial, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.